This tutorial shows how to resize photos using Canva Magic Expand, an AI-powered feature available with the Canva Pro subscription. Start by opening Canva, creating a new design or opening an existing project, and uploading the photo you want to resize. Select the image, click Edit Photo or Image Tools on mobile, and open the Magic Expand tool. Choose how you want to extend the image by selecting a preset aspect ratio such as 1.1, whole page to fill the entire canvas, or freeform for a custom expansion. Click Expand and let Canva generate up to 4 AI expanded versions of your photo. Review each option carefully, paying close attention to how naturally the extended areas blend with the original image. Once you've found the best result, select it and click Done to apply the changes. Your resized photo is now ready to use in your design with the flexibility to return and make further adjustments if needed.